More than 150 years ago, the American Railroad was a symbol of progress and prosperity, connecting oceans, transporting pioneers in search of the American dream, then lifting the country out of the Great Depression. But American infrastructure fell behind other nations. Networks shrunk. Congestion prevailed. But now, the power of the past is the force of the future. Investing in rail today will renew America as the land of opportunity through high-wage, high-skilled jobs to build infrastructure that will move goods more quickly and connect people to possibilities with sustainable solutions to address our transportation crisis. Built for excellence, built with pride.